Hey guys, it's Kiel Andres here, and in today's video, I want to share with you why I believe I deserve to be part of the KTO Manila K Creators Club. South Korea isn't just another country on my travel list, it's my favorite country, and I've been there 4 times. I've experienced Korean spring when everything feels soft and romantic, in summer when the energy is high and the streets are alive, and in fall when the entire country transforms into warm golden tones. But what makes my journey different is this. I don't just visit Korea. I help others experience it too. I've explored not just Seoul but also Gyeonggi province, the historic city of Gyeongju, the charming Hanok village in Jeonju, the fortress city of Suwon, and the coastal beauty of Busan. Through my content, I show Filipinos that Korea is more than just one destination. I create guides that help travelers know where to eat, where to stay, and what experiences are truly worth it. I've also created content that help fellow Filipinos successfully apply for a multiple entry South Korea tourist visa, breaking down the requirements and making the process easier and less intimidating. Because for me, content isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making travel feel achievable. If I become part of the K Creators Club, I won't just create beautiful content about Korea. I'll continue creating meaningful, helpful, and inspiring content that empowers more Filipinos to explore the country I love the most. Korea gave me unforgettable memories across different seasons. Now I want to help others create theirs. Thank you so much, and hopefully, I'll see you as one of your next K creators.